Hi guys, Eric Benny with Benny Distributing here. Wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you about our versatile 700 series lineup. Grasshopper has been producing the 700 series since 1969. Starting out, the 727 EFI Kohler Command Pro, get the electronic fuel injection. You can put a 52-inch deck or a 61-inch deck, or even a 72 on a 700 series air cooler. And then we do have the rear discharge. Our patented rear discharge deck has been a hit. Folks love them. You can stay clean while you mow. You can trim on both sides, and you don't have to worry about throwing grass on your flower beds or mowing along roadways. You don't have to worry about throwing grass on cars passing by. So it is a safer mowing experience. The 700 series is nearly the most versatile out of the Grasshopper lineup. You can put a variety of attachments on it. You can equip it how you want, either Grammer seat or standard seat, standard ROPS or folding ROPS. Nearly the attachments are endless. So then moving up, if you need more horsepower, we have our 35 horse big block. It's a horse. You can put a 61-inch deck or a 72-inch deck on that. It'll handle a 72-inch deck, no problems. And then moving up from there, our 725 diesel. We use a 3-cylinder liquid cooled Kubota diesel D902. It is our most popular model in the diesel lineup. We sell a boatload. You can get it air cooled for around $425 a month, 48-month, 0% financing through Sheffield. If you want a longer term, you can go to Yard Card and get 0% for 60 months. Contact your local dealer or us at BenningDistributing.com. Like us on Facebook, and there's so much more I can tell you about the 700 series lineup from Grasshopper. So please reach out to us. Thank you very much.